This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make crab legs boil. First, ensure your crab legs are fully thawed. If frozen, place them in the refrigerator overnight. Next, give them a quick rinse under cold water to remove any lingering ice or debris. Finally, prepare your cooking area by gathering a large pot, a pair of tongs, and any seasonings you plan to use. This initial preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get those crab legs boiling. Fill a large pot with enough water to fully submerge your crab legs. For enhanced flavor, add about 1 tablespoon of salt for every quart of water. Bring this seasoned water to a vigorous, rolling boil. This high heat is crucial for quick and even cooking, ensuring tender and delicious results every time. Timing is key for perfectly cooked crab legs. If your crab legs are thawed, they typically need to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. For frozen crab legs, extend the cooking time to 5 to 8 minutes. You'll know they're ready when their shells turn a bright, vibrant orange or red color. Overcooking can make them tough, so keep a close eye on them. Once cooked, carefully remove the crab legs from the boiling water using tongs. Drain any excess water and arrange them on a serving platter. They are best enjoyed immediately with melted butter, fresh lemon wedges, and perhaps a sprinkle of your favorite herbs. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, perfectly boiled crab legs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.